It's the fall of 2022, and we are seeing RV lots filling up with inventory. I was out in Colorado this spring, and the lots were still empty. I took a look this fall, and that has changed. Word is now that the manufacturers are slowing production, and as they are finally getting their pipeline full. We are starting to see some pricing pressure in the used market, especially for trailers and fifth wheels. It will be interesting to see what next year's spring season brings. Today we are looking at a leisure travel Unity. The use of space with this one is amazing. Let's go take a look. This is a 2017 Leisure Travel Unity U24FX Class B Plus RV. A major feature of this unit is that the living areas are in full use during the day. The front captain seats swivel into the coach to increase the seating area to give you room for entertaining. At night, the dining area collapses and the Murphy bed drops down to provide a queen walk-around bed. The bed is situated in such a way that you will be able to easily access the bathroom in the middle of the night. The kitchen features everything that you're going to need: a refrigerator, freezer, a 2-burner stove, a microwave convection oven, and a very nice pull-out pantry. This unit is a special floor plan that includes a second living area in the rear of the unit. That'll convert into a separate work area for anyone looking to take work on the road. This coach is ready for some fun off the grid, as it includes solar panels and a generator, which will keep you comfortable no matter where you travel. Other features include keyless entry, dish satellite TV, a Ninja convection barbecue grill, an equalizer system electronic stabilizers, a Total Vision Products external camera monitoring system, RV cover, and a WeBoost cell extender. This one is in great condition and it's ready for its next adventure. Thanks for watching, and if you're considering selling your RV, please contact me. I help individual owners market their RVs nationwide. Thanks, and we'll see you on the next one.